Okay, here we have 3 questions, 2 on probability, 1 mean. One is asking the probability of outcome of a computer game shown in the table below. We're asked to complete the table. We have number. Probability of outcomes must. So if we have win of 0.3, lose of 0.2, we can find out the probability of a draw just to 1 minus 0.3 minus 0.25 gives us 0.45. That is our answer, probability of draw. In part B, Cynthia came 3 times, and we're asked to calculate the number of times Cynthia should act. Well, the probability of winning, we're told, is 0.3. So if she plays the game 30 times, simply take 30 and multiply by the probability of 0.3. That gives her 10 times an expected win of 10 out of 30 games. Part 2, Cynthia wins the game only 4 times, however, and she says, "Well, I should have won, though. I should have won more times." And we're asked to explain why she may be wrong. Well, she may need to play more times because 30 times isn't that many, and it might not be enough to get the expected probability of 0.3. Actually, she also might not be very good at the game. So there are a couple of reasons there. So I would write, she may need to play more times, or she might not be very good at the game. Okay. Question 2. This is asking us to use the information on the warning sign for a lift to decide if it is safe for the lift to hold the maximum number of people. We're told that the maximum number of people the lift can hold is 15, and we're told that the maximum load, which means weight, the maximum weight is 1,200 kilograms. We're also told that the average weight of a person in the UK is 76.9 kilograms. Well, we can see if it's safe by taking the maximum load of 1,200 kilograms and dividing it by the number of people the lift is allowed to take. And if we do that, we get 80 kilograms per person. So that is the maximum weight that the lift can hold divided by the maximum number of people that it's allowed, and that gives us 80 kilograms per person is allowed. Well, the average weight of a person in the UK is less than that. It's 76.9 kilograms. So it should be safe. So our answer would be yes. It should be safe if the 15 people are of average weight. Then we're asked to comment on the reliability of our answer. Well, it may not be reliable, as 76.9 kilograms is just the average, and you could have 15 people of above average weight entering the lift. For instance, a rugby team. If that was the case, then those 15 people may well all be above 80 kilograms, which would make the lift unsafe. Our third question is a probability tree. So, Kyle plays in a chess league. He has to play Joseph and then play Claire. The probability of winning against Joseph is 4/7, 4 out of 7. And the probability of winning against Claire is 3/5. Kyle does not draw any games, so he's either going to win or he's going to lose. And we're asked to complete the tree diagram. Well, it's been started for us. The game against Joseph, if you remember, this branch here says that Kyle is going to win against Joseph, and this one says he's going to lose against Joseph. So the probability of him winning against Joseph is 4 out of 7, which we have here. Well, this branch, what is the probability of Kyle losing against Joseph? Well, that must be 3/7, 3 out of 7. Because for each set of branches, they must add up to 1. So both of these branches must add up to 1. So 4/7 and 3/7, they add up to 1. Then, for the rest here, we have a branch here, which is Kyle winning against Claire. And the probability of winning against Claire is 3/5. Well, what's the probability of Kyle losing against Claire? Well, if the probability of him winning against Claire is 3/5, the probability of him losing must be 2/5, because again, these two branches must add up to 1. 3/5 and 5/5, which is 1. And that's just the same here. Again, this branch is saying Kyle. What is the probability of Kyle winning against Claire? Well, that is still 3/5. And the probability of Kyle losing against Claire is 2/5. And that's our completed table. What is the probability that Kyle will win both games? Well, the question is asking for the probability of Kyle winning game 1 against Joseph and winning game 2 against Claire. And in probability, the word "and" means multiply. So the probability is 4, and the probability of winning against Claire is 3/5. For a probability of Kyle winning against Joseph and winning against Claire, we would multiply those two probabilities together, and that gives us 12/35 is the answer to part. That's helpful, and good luck.